Right now, Bitcoin is creating a bull flag, and in this exact video, I will be talking about this bull flag, my $100,000 Bitcoin trading position, and much more. So make sure that you will be watching this video till the end, because we will be discussing the most important charts you need to be looking at in crypto right now. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we get it above 350 likes once again on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, we can see a lot of potential patterns are currently getting created here on the 1 hour time frame. And let me kick off this video with a potential bull flag we are currently creating here on the 1 hour time frame. We can see a downward sloping resistance line from the top side getting created, a downward sloping support line, and yeah, this is basically exactly how a bull flag looks like, because a bull flag always gets created from an initial uptrend, and after the initial uptrend, you see a downward sloping consolidation phase happening on the market. You could also approach this whole structure differently, and if you currently look at the 1 hour time frame, you can straight away see what is happening right now, right? So lower highs, higher lows. We can clearly see it. Of course, we could make this one in all kinds of different formats. We could be looking at this way. We could be looking potentially at this way, but I will be for now draw the line like this. If we do break below the support line, it's going to be looking, of course, extra bearish. Yesterday, I've been already talking about the support line right here. And like you can see, we're currently still holding on towards the support line. We are seeing a lot of touch points getting created. One touch point right here, second touch point, third touch point, and this is the fourth touch point we're currently having here. And we are seeing a downward sloping resistance line getting created from the top side from an approximately $17,000 all the way towards the downside, right? So we can currently clearly see we are creating potentially a symmetrical triangle here for Bitcoin on that 1 hour time frame. And if this one breaks out, like I discussed yesterday as well, we will be seeing more volatility in this market. You could be approaching the market like this, but you could also approach it the other way around, like this potential bull flag, right? So there are two things to look at it. Of course, I will be looking at both of them. Of course, if we do break below this support line towards the upside right here, I will be still look at this downward sloping support line. If we do also break below the downward sloping support line, then I think the trend is most likely going to reverse back towards the downside. And it is very likely that Bitcoin is not going to move up from that point, but further towards the downside. And then I will be targeting for this range high between 16.5K and 16.3K. So yeah, if Bitcoin breaks below the 16.8K, we could be expecting a $500 drop towards the downside. What in these market conditions is quite significant. However, if we do break towards the upside, there are quite a lot of good bullish targets. I mean, I could be looking at the symmetrical triangle target. That's going to be somewhere around 17.5K. If I'm going to look at the bull flag target, it's going to be a little bit more severe. It's going to be somewhere around $18,000, I expect. 17.8. So price target is between 17.5 to 17.8, depending on which breakout you will be playing. However, I will be always played conservative, so I will be aiming for targets towards 17.5K. But please make sure to stick in this video, because in a moment I will be talking exactly about my new $100,000 Bitcoin trade that I'm currently building up here. So if I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin right now, we've been talking about this many occasions before. We clearly see this is the big resistance box here. Currently we are retesting it as support. It is only more likely that we are actually going to see a bounce from here on. We are creating a lower high right now. This is not necessarily looking very strong, but just like I told you, we are in the middle of a consolidation. So whether we're going to confirm the lower low or whether we're going to confirm the higher high, it's going to be telling us which direction we're actually heading towards. And that will once again allow you to trade this market towards the right direction that you are expecting it's heading towards. But still, if I look at the 4 hourly time frame, this is one of the most craziest opportunities I currently can spot in the market. We can see here, we are retesting this important level right here, but in the previous occasions, we have clearly seen that this level right here has been providing significant resistance right here as well. So you can clearly see this level got rejected on many occasions. And right now, it is so far flipping into support on the 4 hourly time frame, and that is why I also have quite a lot of trust in this level. So if we do close the candle on the 4 hourly candle below 16.8K, just also below the support level, that's also 16.8K, we are expecting we're going to be going down way more, and basically that is the point where we will be breaking this potential uptrend, right? So with that being said, let me quickly talk about my trade, because currently I am in a $100,000 Bitcoin long position, and you can see it on the bottom left side of the screen. The quantity of the trade is $100,000. The leverage of the trade is 1.8x leverage. It's an extremely low leverage, and I have got another approximately 10 Bitcoin ready to deploy. Currently, I deployed 3.2 Bitcoin in this trade, but I will be deploying another 10 Bitcoins as time goes by here, because what I'm doing with this trade is dollar cost averaging in towards my position. If Bitcoin falls to $12,000, I will add another 10 Bitcoin to this trade, what will bring the average liquidation price down towards levels of $7,000 to $8,000, what in my opinion would mean that I could be potentially open up a swing trade on the exact bear market bottom, right? That is exactly what I'm doing right now. I am building up a swing trade from the exact bear market bottom. The quantity is currently $100,000, and I can make a ton of money if I am able to catch the exact bottom. And currently, since I think we're coming close towards this exact market bottom, I have been starting to DCA in towards this trade, right? So yes, I'm down 2% on my trade, but still, what I don't care, because if the market goes down more, I will be getting a better entry price in the end of the day. So that is my strategy. I'm willing to dollar cost average all the way down, and I could afford Bitcoin to go to $7,000, and then I still won't be getting liquidated. So let's hope Bitcoin doesn't go to $7,000, because of course that will make things way worse. I am not anticipating Bitcoin is going to 7K. If it does happen, yeah, then I'm screwed. But anyways, I am willing to take the risk right now in this market condition. I am currently opening up a 100K trade here. If you do want to be trading yourself as well, you could do so on Bybit. Bybit allows you currently, if you do sign up using the link in the description, to get a $30,000 deposit bonus, and you can open up a free trade worth of $30,000. So you can do that right now yourself. How you can do so is basically sign up an account using the link in the description, and then go to Reward Stop, and you can see how you can claim it. But if you're from the US or anywhere else in the world, I would recommend to check out BitGet. If you guys sign up an account using the link in the description on BitGet right now, and you deposit $500 in towards your account, you will be getting a free mastermind from me, a mastermind on how to become a master on the charts. That is of course going to upgrade your knowledge significantly and will help you trade for free. So make sure to check it out. Also, if you do sign up using this link and deposit $500, you will able to get access towards my free signal group on Discord, which you can also right now find in the link in the description of this video. So make sure to check it out right now. We share more than 5 trading setups every single day. We basically try to learn you guys stuff on how you could become a better trader yourself. So with that being said, let me continue this video with looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we can currently see Bitcoin is still trading below that range low of an approximately $18,000. I've talked about this yesterday as well. On the bigger picture, it's going to be important to be breaking above this range, because this is of course, if you look at it from a bigger perspective, the level to be breaking. Right now, we're seeing these small moves up. We're seeing these small moves down. We can see these important levels in the middle right here. But still, the big levels is definitely the $18,000 to $19,000. If we do break above that, the things are going to be looking way better on the macro perspective. Then I saw a lot of people panicking because the 3-day MACD was flipping bearish. Everyone was saying, okay, this is going to be a dooms effect every single time once it crosses, we go down significantly. Right now, we're about to cross bullish again on the 3-day MACD. Things are looking good here. Things are shaping up quite well right now. We can also see that the MACD clearly on the EMA ribbon is of course forming a higher low, while the price action forming a lower low. That is a bullish divergence on the 3-day time frame, in fact, and we are about to confirm it after this bullish candle close right here. Yeah, things are actually looking quite alright for Bitcoin. And I mean, for me, I am honestly expecting, if I look at all the market conditions, of course, the market conditions are different, but if I look at the market from the 3-day perspective, from the weekly perspective, things are looking just so great. We are bouncing from the weekly legendary support line. We can currently see the RSI is forming a higher low. Well, in fact, the price action is of course forming a lower low. And if I am looking at the monthly time frame for Bitcoin, I'm seeing one of the most craziest signals we've ever spotted right here. Because if you're looking at the MACD on the monthly time frame, you can see the last time in the previous bear market, the point where the monthly MACD basically swapped around here, so went in towards the light red, that was exactly the bottom, like you can see, right? So this is the bottom, I mean the first green candle. Oh sorry, I can't roll here. And this was the first MACD cross right here. So you can clearly see this is a very big signal. And look what is happening right now. We're getting 3 consecutive light red monthly candles for Bitcoin right now here, and the first one was also right here. So let's see what is going to be playing out here. But Bitcoin definitely creating some very interesting signals. Well, in fact, at the same time, the funding rates are still so freaking negative, what makes it for me just a cool point to open up a swing trade, right? So I am swing trading Bitcoin. You can think whatever you think about it. Of course, this is no financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I always show my complete journey, what I do with my trades. I will show you if I'm in a loss. I will show you if I'm in a profit. And And just like I told you, I am dollar cost averaging in towards this trade. So let's say you only got $100 to deploy. Don't deploy $100 straight away here. Make sure to dollar cost average as in your trades, as I as well normally do in towards the market as well. So thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video here on the channel. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to slap up that like button. Don't forget to as well subscribe to this channel if you are interested in a live stream. Once the market is going to be moving significantly, once I see an important move or breaking out somewhere, I will be jumping live straight away on the channel. So thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. I hope to see you guys on the next one, and peace out. Goodbye.